Patient better feel by
Today
constipation.
we will going to discuss about Calcarea carb, which is a homeopathic medicine. Its name is Calcarea carb, or it is known as a Calcarea ostrearum, or its common name is family. It belongs to the mineral family. It belongs. The prover, which this medicine is proven by Dr. Frederick Samuel Hahnemann. Introduction point we discuss about it's a CaCO3. Its chemical formula is CaCO3. So it contains the mineral particles. So it's mainly sphere of action in the bone, head, gastrointestinal tract, female reproductive system, gland, skin, respiratory system, mind. Then where it is a pathogen means which organ or which area it is mainly causes pathogenesis. So mainly in the bone, because it is a its chemical constitute, it is a mineral belongs to the mineral company. That's why it is action in the bone, in the blood, blood composition. It causes the blood composition variation. So its main action in that area. What is its constitution? It is a leukophlegmatic person are mainly given that this drug belongs to the leukophlegmatic constitution. What does it means? Leuko means white, phlegma means secretion. And the mucous membrane or from the nasal or mucous discharge is mainly white color discharge is found. The person of Calcarea carb having fair, plative, happy personality means they are white complexion. Fatty means they are some fat storage occur. So they are mainly fat person. Flabby means the muscle of the body is stored by the fat. That's why they look like a obese person. So you can see in the picture. Then the child of Calcarea carb are belongs to the, they are chalky, look like red face. Means chalky means the face is white with a red color mark was present on that child of the Calcarea carb. And peculiar is that they having the head is sweating with the head contain the frontal nails, which are opening frontal nails are mainly we give the Calcarea carb. They having the chilly patient. So chilly means they all the complaints are aggravated by the chill or cold environment. Then
Miasm, it is a antisoric miasm.
completed the name, that is common name. We also discussed family, prover, introduction point, what we write, then sphere of action, what we write, then what is the pathogenicity, and the constitution. In constitution we discuss that the Calcarea child, how they look. Then what is the temperature means relation to heat and cold, we discuss in that constitution. Temperament also we discuss, that is they are phlegmatic, that is phlegmatic constitution we discuss. Okay, then miasm also we discuss, the sora miasm mainly they belongs. Diathesis means the disease mostly they mostly tubercular diathesis we discuss. Then now we discuss all the mind symptom and guiding symptom. So as we know, this is the revision video. So in the guiding symptom, what we include? PQRS. What is it? Please go through the beginner of how to study mathematics. Then you go to this video, you understand what is the mnemonic of that. By the way, I will also mention this is the peculiar symptom. P for peculiar, Q for query. Query means when you ask the patient, then you got the symptom, then you add in the Calcarea drug. You can find that the symptom is in relation to the Calcarea, and then now you can prescribe. Rare, R for rare. The symptom is quite rare, cannot find any drug, only in the Calcarea. Striking means this symptom which are commonly found in Calcarea or some 2 to 3 drugs, not in any other. When you discuss this symptom, when you find, then you only have 1 to 3 drug. So that this is the striking symptom. such as we discuss the in the peculiar symptom, which symptom we included in the peculiar. So what does
means that the person which are belongs to the Calcarea, they are chilly, means their whole body are calm in the chilly, means they are cold. But how can there be possible that there will be sweat occur in the head? This is the peculiar thing. When you comes that thing, then you indicate Calcarea.
And make the pillow wet. That is something very peculiar. Another point which I mentioned as a peculiar, that is all the complaint of the Calcarea patient are sore. Means all the discharge are coming from this patient are sore. Sore means the sore irritation occur, means the hakuda, that is sore irritation can be in the sore. That is vomiting, the vomiting which find in the Calcarea are sore vomiting. Then that is important. Why? Because the sweat becomes sore, which is find peculiar in the Calcarea. Now query, when you ask more and more, you can find that the person, all the complaints are coming from cold application. Cold, due to the cold, the all complaints are aggravated, and the cold is like that rare, means cold is
rare symptom we included from query. That is the Allen, a sentence is written that right through her. What does it means? Means the patient says that सर मेरे अंदर से जैसे चिल्ली कोल्ड हवा निकल रहा है. This is the meaning of that rare symptom of that.
Another thing is that sore discharge is the common striking symptom. With this, I also mention one plus point, that is the person are great sensitive towards the and they are magnetized, means they want that people will hear their voice, people will listen their voice, they want their voice to be listened, not others. That type of which is also found in the phosphorus. So in that way, I take 2 to 3 symptom as a guiding symptom, only discuss as a revision point. Then general motive, aggravation, amelioration. Aggravation by cold, amelioration by pressure on lying in side, those side which is painful, that side if they lie, then all the application will be removed. Then antidote from means all elements from is the disease, which type of a disease mainly Calcarea cure or Calcarea patient have. Defective assimilation means those food they take, they do not give exact nutrition to that body. Okay, मीन्स ऑल दैट फूड इज, जैसे लगता है कि एक पेशेंट हिंदी में बोलता है कि सर मैं खाती हूँ बट मेरे शरीर में लगता नहीं है, इसका मीनिंग वही है. देन इम्परफेक्ट ऑसिफिकेशन, कैल्केरिया का इट्स CaCO3, it contain calcium. That's why all the person which having the bone related disorder, we also give Calcarea cap. Imperfect ossification means the bones are not ossified gently, or in the bone some place calcium deposition more occur and some place there will be no calcium, or the bone become demineralization, that thing meaning. Then in the child, Calcarea cap child having, due to the calcium, low calcium, they having the disease, that is they having difficult to learn, walk and stand, means they very difficult to walk and stand, that is the patient. Then the person who having in the mental symptom, if we say that is they having mentally fatigue, tired so easily, so that their loss of vital fluid occur. In the exercise there will be so much fatigue after some overlifting. Thus there will be maybe suppressed sweat found in the. Yes. Then what is the now we going to the guiding symptom. When come in your clinic, you look like that the person wants to hear his words. He wants to, all the people should listen her voice, not her or his voice, not others. That is the desire. Then aversion or intolerance, they are not they having the aversion means they do not like, that is they do not like cold, open air, meat, milk during dentition period of the child, they do not like meat, there will be aversion to meat during their disease condition, they do not like cold, open air.
whereas they like hot during fresh air they always like so much. After that, the person who are very much those skillful worker who are belongs to this personality, tired fatigue patient mainly lose their appetite during their work. Thirst, there will be no so much regarding thirst salivation. Uremic patient mainly occur during the standing cold damp or working in the cold water, their urine became uremic. Then sleep, dream, there will be nothing mentioned in that way. So these are the not we mentioned. Then mental symptom. In the mental symptom, they having a very peculiar symptom is that there is always fear that people could see their fear of a loss of a region, means people are mainly mentally confused. These people are mainly confused mentality, and they also fear that those outsider public do not see this behavior, so that they are fear of lose of a region. That is the meaning. Okay, then what is the particular? In particular symptom, these are mainly in the head. There is that this symptom is the head. Particular, in the particular you should write head, after heading you write this symptom. Then in GIT, in the GIT symptom there will be acidity. All the complaints are arise due to the acidity of the GIT symptom, so that the stomach becomes swollen, stomach becomes swollen as if the food is remain in that place. Okay, in the female reproductive system there is mainly something written that the menses which are formed, they are too yearly, profuse and leave long lasting. After menses the colic pain started. Then cough, there will be nothing so much cough, but if you remain that the exposure to cold, the cough begin. This is the acute to the belladonna, means in acute case we use belladonna. After that we can use calcarea. Cough is bronchial asthma. The cough may be dry cough, tickling. Okay, throat became like a dust remain in the throat. That is the cough peculiarity. Bony symptom, due to the it is contain a calcium metabolism. That's why the bone symptom which are found, which are mainly due to the deposition of a calcium, and sometimes the bone become curvature, bony curvature occur. Tubercular symptom, due to the it is contain the myxin, tuberculosis myxin. That's why the symptom. Then now aggravation and amelioration. In the aggravation topic, aggravation and amelioration. In the aggravation, those cold air, all those cold complaint in morning, the aggravation started. Then lining on the painful style, amelioration occur. Lining on the painful constipation make amelioration. Then relation to the remedy, there is that the antidote mainly Nox vomica, Nox bone is the antidote. Sulfur is also antidote. China, these are the antidote. Whereas the complementary is belladonna, because this is a cold remedy.